If you have this code on your third generation Toyota Prius, so this is how we're going to fix it. It means the antenna on the push button start is bad, so we're gonna swap it. So what you're gonna need is something to pry off the plastics, which could be like a small screwdriver or like a plastic panel remover, and then you just pop starting from here. I don't even know if we really needed that, but because you kind of just need to pop this one, so just be careful pulling it. They're all just clips, it could be brittle, so just be gentle. And then once you get that, you're gonna pop this part where the start button is right here, and then you just pull it out, and there's a connector, this one that connects to the back. So you just press the plastic thing so you could pull it out, this one, and then you can swap it. So you're gonna just press this gray tabs, and then it just pulls out. Once it's out, you just put in the new one and just push it in until it clicks. You hear that click? That's it. And then you connect it back with this, and then pop it back in.